Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a comparison of chalk paints today. Behr versus Waverly. I've already tried the Waverly before, so let's do a comparison. I picked up some Behr chalk paint from Home Depot, and I picked up another container of Waverly chalk paint from Walmart. So I'm going to do a little comparison, price points and consistency and all that. So if you're interested in seeing a comparison of Behr chalk paint versus Waverly chalk paint, then let's go. Okay, so let's get started. The Behr chalk paint from Home Depot and Waverly chalk paint from Walmart. Now, everybody's familiar with the Waverly because it's such a the price point is like fantastic. This size, and I wanted to get a smaller size, but they didn't have any. I mean, in this color, in white anyway. They were out in Walmart. There's a run on this because everybody likes Waverly, and the price point is really good. I think the smaller size is $6 something, and this was $10.98. This was $19.98 from the Behr was $19.98 from Home Depot. As I said, I did a comparison of Waverly versus Rust-Oleum some time ago, and hold on, I'm getting a lighting problem. Okay, I'm setting up for the Behr versus Waverly. I was going to paint right out of the can. So much easier. So what I'm painting is this Lazy Susan that I picked up from Goodwill last year, and it had a K on it, and I sanded it down and sanded off the K. So I've been meaning to paint this for a while. I was going to do a fill-in with a wood filler, but it wasn't that deep, so we just sanded it off. So I'm going to start by opening Waverly. So whichever one is the best is the one that I will use to finish off this Lazy Susan. You can see the consistency of the Waverly. Look how thick that is. And I shook it up. I think that's one of the things that people like about the Waverly, that it's really thick. Uh-oh, here's your Behr. Not as thick as the Waverly, but did you see that? Not as thick as the Waverly. You got your Behr. All right, let's get started. This is Behr. I haven't heard anything about Behr. So I do see that it's a little runny. Definitely a little runny, right? See that? And I'm not using any special brushes. Like there's a Waverly brush for chalk paint, but I didn't purchase that. I already have a chalk paint brush that I got from Target a while ago, but it's wet from another project. All right, Behr's looking good though. Behr is looking good. Look at that. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Look at that. That's not bad. As a matter of fact, this looks better than my Rust-Oleum that I love so much. That's not bad. Am I dripping on this side? Let me clean this off. So that's the Behr. Coverage isn't bad, right? That's not bad. This is the Behr side. This is the Waverly side. It's not bad. Okay, let's try Waverly. $10.98 for how many ounces? 16 ounces. I would have gotten a smaller one, but they didn't have any in stock. This is beautiful. Tell you, don't sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep on the Waverly. Look at that. Oh my God. This stuff, I'm telling you, the Waverly is just so thick, so great. Look at the coverage. It's not runny at all. Look at that. Don't sleep on Waverly, guys. I like Behr for, regular Behr paint for big jobs that I have around the house. But I did want to give the chalk paint a try. And boom. Look at that. This is Waverly on this side. This is Behr. I think, you tell me, I think the Waverly really holds up nicely. Look at that. One coat, right? I think that Waverly really holds up nicely. Look at that. One coat, bam. Both of these are white. Okay. Let me give you the specs. This Waverly is white, matte finish. And the Behr is a white base. And if you want to, Home Depot will tint this for you if you like. But I don't know, guys. I'm telling you, one coat and look what the Waverly has done. Behr I thought was nice, but a little runny compared to Waverly. Waverly is very thick. I found the same thing with Rust-Oleum versus Waverly. The Waverly is so much thicker compared to the Rust-Oleum. You can't beat the price point for Waverly as well. Now, this is not sponsored. I wish it was. But if you want to see my Rust-Oleum versus Waverly comparison, go to, I'll link the video somewhere in the iCards, but you will not believe your eyes when you see the Rust-Oleum versus Waverly. Shocking. Shocking. I don't know, guys. I'm going to say it's a wrap. I'll do another coat on each side. And then the third coat will probably be all Waverly.